Hello all, welcome to Tech Capture. So in our ADK series, we are now discussing about the callbacks in ADK. So in our past few videos, we started discussing about what is a callbacks, how we can use it, what are the different types of callback. In our last video, we just had a hands-on demo on the before and after agent callback. So if I show you here, so what we discuss, how we can control the access to the LLM using based on the user ID. So if user ID is 567, access is denied, but for user ABC there is access to the agent because we use the before modec to check the access. If user access is user ABC, it will allow the agent interaction. If the user access is, let's say, user 567, it will deny the access. So you can just put your own access framework and you can check in the before agent callback. If user is having access, then go with the normal execution. If user is not having access, then just break the execution. Okay, so you can control that using before and after agent callback. Now in this video we are going to discuss about another callback, which is our model callback. Okay, so we are going to discuss the hands-on demo on before model callback and after model callback. Okay, so what example we are going to do? So we are just ask our model to give the polite response. Okay, whatever the user query will append, we will just add our additional prompt to the user's query. I'll give you example. Let's say the user is asking query in English, but I want all answers to be in, let's say, in German language, or I want all answers to be in the capital format, or I just want answer only in 20 words, I want answer in just 2 lines. So whatever the additional prompt, I can append to the user's query and then I will send to the LLM. So this I can put a before model callback. Okay, and then after callback I can just work on the output. If I want to format output, if I want to just refresh the output, I can use that in the after callback. So let me just go to the VS Code. Okay, so you can see I'm in my VS Code. So we are into the model callback. So this is our simple assistant which will answer the query using the Google search. And here we are having a before model callback. So what before model callback is doing, so it is basically taking the user's query from here and it is just appending user's query. Please respond politely and keep the answer under 50 words. So whatever the user's query, it will just append to the user's query and that will be your actual input to the LLM. Okay, so I'll show you that. I'll just go to the okay, ADK web. So I'm in model callbacks. Okay, so now pay attention here into the trace. So if I ask hello, your model will not only receive a hello, it will receive hello and then our appended prompt, respond politely and keep the answers in 50 words. Okay, so before that I will just for now comment after model callback. Okay, so I'll just comment after model callback for now and then I will ask hello. It is processing. Okay, and now see what went to the model. So hello is from users, but you added the additional prompt. Please respond politely and keep the answer under 50 words. Now let's say I will ask, give me today's latest news from India. Okay, so now the user's prompt will be appended with this: please respond politely and keep the answer under 50 words. Now see, latest news and the good morning. Here is a quick update from India and it gave the answers. Okay, it gave answers only in the 50 words. If I remove this prompt, how will be the behavior? I will show you. If let's say I will comment this before model callback. Okay, now there is no callback. Okay, now I ask the same question. I'll just open a new session and I'll ask, give me, or I'll just copy paste just to be a exact prompt. I'll just copy paste the exact prompt. Okay, now you will see the trace. Okay, so what it is going, so it is going exactly this one to your LLM because there is no appended prompt now and it will give the bigger answer. Okay, give me today's latest news from India. As it is prompt, it went to the LLM. But if we want to control using the callback, so what is the prompt? It is going to the users. So the prompt going to the users, keep the answer concise. Okay, So this is how we can control. Now let's talk about the, this is before model, after model. So after model, I'm just formatting the output. Okay, so this is very basic formatting I am doing. I am just converting whatever the output to the uppercase. So you can use your use case, whatever the use case you are having, and you want to format the final output. Okay, then you can use that. So I will show you now. I will just open a new session, and if I type hello, whatever the response I will get in capital letter. Okay, capital letter. So I'll just put now, give me the latest news from India. So it is in even the 20-50 words, but it will be all capital because I am formatting the output. So you can just do any operation on the output. So if I show you here, so you will see the output, this is in capital format, and yeah, you can see the output is in capital format. And let's say you want to check the output before, let's say after model. I want to print the original output. Okay, so now I will show you the same example, so you will understand the difference. Okay, so the same thing I am doing now. Okay, so let's check the logs. Yeah, so you can see, let me just remove that. Let's check it now. I'm just trying to show you the original response from the model and the modified response from the model, so you will understand the difference. Yeah, so you can see original response. So this is within the 50 words because we modified the prompt, but it is not the uppercase, right? It is the normal case, but what we are getting, the same output we are getting in uppercase because this is the after model callback. Okay, so hope this is clear how we can control the flow using the before model and after model callback. So earlier we discussed about the before agent and after agent. So now there is one more use case. Let's say you are fetching some data from the database using the tools. Okay, and the user is not having access to all the data, so you want to filter the data based on the users. So that you can do in after tool callback. You also want to check the access of the tools. If user is having access to the BigQuery, then you can do it before tool callback. So all these operation we can do using the tools callback. So we will see the demo of the tool callback in our next video. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you again in the next video.